2014 Ram 1500. Here's complete guide on common problems, what to expect, and should you buy one. 2014 sits in middle of fourth generation. Some call it worst Ram year ever made. Here's the truth, honestly. Three main problems affect almost every 2014 Ram: transmission issues, electrical failures, and engine tick. Let me explain each one. Problem 1. Transmission valve body failure. Happens between 70 and 90,000 miles on most 2014 Rams consistently. What happens? Transmission shifts harsh, hesitates between gears, eventually gets stuck in limp mode, won't shift past third gear. Why it fails? Valve body solenoids fail internally. Fluid passages clog with debris, causes delayed engagement and hard shifting. Cost to fix? $3,000 valve body replacement. Some dealers charge $4,000 with labor. Very expensive common repair. When it happens, most failures occur 70 to 90,000 miles. Some fail earlier, very few make it past 100,000. Problem 2, TIPM electrical module failure. Totally integrated power module. Controls everything electrical in your Ram truck completely. What happens? Truck won't start randomly. Wipers turn on by themselves. Horn honks randomly. Lights flash. Complete electrical chaos. Why it fails? TIPM circuit board corrodes internally. Moisture gets inside. Solder joints crack. Relays fail. Very common 2014 issue. Cost to fix? $1,500 new TIPM module. Dealer installation required usually. No permanent aftermarket fix exists currently. When it happens? Usually 80,000 miles and up, but can fail anytime. Some fail at 30,000 miles. Very unpredictable. Problem 3, HEMI lifter tick. 5.7 engine develops loud ticking noise. Starts around 80,000 miles typically. What happens? Loud ticking from engine when cold. Gets quieter when warm. Eventually stays loud all the time constantly. Why it fails? Lifters don't pump up properly, usually from extended oil changes. Conventional oil use. Not enough maintenance done. Cost to fix? $2,000 lifter and cam replacement. Or $55 oil change sometimes fixes it temporarily. So should you buy 2014 Ram 1500? Only if price reflects these problems. Here's my buying criteria. If seller wants normal used truck price, walk away immediately. 2014 should cost $3,000 to $5,000 less than other years. If buying 2014, check these things. Test drive transmission thoroughly. Check for harsh shifts. Listen for TIPM electrical issues carefully. Start engine cold. Listen for lifter tick. Check maintenance records. Verify regular oil changes done. Ask about previous repairs done. Fair price for 2014. 15 to 18,000 depending on mileage condition. Anything higher, not worth the risk involved. Better alternative years. 2015 fixed some issues, 2017 fixed most issues, 2019 best fourth generation ever. Bottom line, 2014 has real problems, not internet rumors, real documented failures. Buy only if deeply discounted price. Comment below. Are you considering 2014? What's the asking price? I'll tell you if it's worth it or not.